We are going to show you first the crossover Ethernet cable. First things first, grab your UTP wire and cut the appropriate size you would like to use. I use about almost 1/2 meter. Then, using a crimping tool, I create a little scar on the wire and pull it out so that we could easily arrange the colored wires into its appropriate colored pattern.
On the other end, you can follow light green, green, light orange, blue, light blue, orange, light brown, and brown.
Once they're all trimmed, I can now insert them into the R345 and using the crimping tool to lock in the wire. I'll do the same thing on the other end using the other colored pattern. So, in the crossover, the pattern of the colors vary on each of the ends of the UTP wire. In the other end, it could follow the light orange, orange, light green, blue, light blue, green, light brown, and brown. Once they're all trimmed, I can now insert them into the RJ45 and using the crimping tool to lock in the wire. And that's it, the crossover Ethernet cable.
Now I'm going to teach you about the straight-through Ethernet cable. After doing so, you will scar the insulator of the cable, but make sure to scar it gently to prevent the wires inside to be damaged. Another thing to remember is cut other unnecessary things inside the cable. Just like for ours, we have an extra plastic protection wiring inside our cable, so we cut it off first. After that, using the crimping tool, cut your wire with the same height and level as each other. And now, you patiently arrange the colored wire according to its pattern as seen from the screen. At the end, your wire should look like this. After that, attach the Cat 5e cable and the wire to the RJ45. Using a crimping tool, crimp them together so that it would be locked and ready to use.
After you've done the straight-through Ethernet cable, you will do the same thing with the other end, which the pattern is light orange, light green, solid blue, solid green, light brown, and solid brown, which will be then the pattern of the straight-through Ethernet cable.
And that's all for the video.
Click subscribe button and click the notification bell.
To be notified every time we upload a new video.
That's all from
Leah
and Farhan saying
have a Merry Christmas
and a prosperous New Year.
Bye!